Okay, here we have a Mtech Rescue Linerlock EMT knife. It measures 5 inches closed with a 3.5 inch black finished stainless partially serrated blade with dual thumb studs and extended tang. It has black composition handles with orange aluminum trim, and it does feature the EMT inlay shield. It also has integrated seatbelt cutter and glass breaker and a lanyard hole, and it also has the stainless pocket clip on the back. It is item number 740EM, and let's take a little closer look at the knife here. But there you go, the Mtech 740EM. I do have a lot of other Mtech knives available, but thanks for looking at the video.